Welcome to Learn at Home. I am Dr. Amina Idris, your English teacher, and today's topic is consonant sounds for learners in JS2. The English consonant sounds are 24 in number, and they are formed from the 21 consonant alphabets of English. They are either produced with vibration in the vocal cord, that's the throat, that is, the sound is voiced, or with no vibration from the vocal cord, the throat, that is, the sound is voiceless. What do we mean by a sound being voiced? Let's look at it this way. If you have P and B, for instance, the sound P and B, one is voiced and the other one is voiceless. When you place your hand under your throat and there is a vibration, B, B. In pronouncing B sound, there is a vibration in the vocal cord, so it is voiced. But when you pronounce P, P, and you place your hands under the throat, there is no vibration. Therefore, the sound is voiceless. The consonant sounds are classified into place of articulation and manner of articulation. It is either voiced or voiceless, or it is pronounced bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palatal, velar, or glottal. Then the 24 consonant sounds are pronounced those. In pronouncing sounds, you don't pronounce it as alphabet. If you have sound, for instance, as a sound, you don't pronounce it as P. It is in alphabet, you pronounce it as P, B, T, O, D. We are dealing with sounds, so we pronounce it as P, B. The P sound as in pen, B as in bird, T. T sound as in T, D as in did, K as in cat, G as in goat, Ch as in chin, J as in June, F as in fall, V as in voice, Q as in thing, and then its T counterpart, you have it in then. You have the sound as in so, Z as in zoo, Sh as in she, G as in vision, H as in how, M sound as in man, the N sound as in no, N sound as in sing, O sound as in leg, as in red, the U sound as in yes, and the O sound as in wet. But for today's lesson, we will consider the T, D, K, and the G sounds. The K sound, is it voiced or voiceless? Let's try to pronounce it and see if it is voiced or voiceless. The K, G, K, G. In comparing them, K is voiceless, and you have words like clew, cow, coat, fickle, back, duck, mock, block, came, card, class, cooled, cave, and cap. The G sound, which is the voice sound, you have glue, game, goat, beagle, bag, dog, mug, blog, game, guard, glass, good, gave, gat. If you are pronouncing them in pairs, you have clew, glue, cow, gain, coat, belt, fickle, beagle, back, bag, duck, dog, mock, mug, block, blog, came, game, card, got, class, glass, cold, good, cave, gave, cap, gap. That is k and g in pairs. Let's consider t and d. D, d, t, d. If you pronounce them, the t is voiceless, while the d sound is voiced. Tear, tam, trunk, ten, tense, code, tide, spent, to, train, try, touch, town, to. How did they sound? Dear, damn, drunk, done, dense, cut, light, spend, do, drain, day, ditch, gone, do. Now let's pronounce them in pairs. Tear, dear, tam, dam, trunk, drunk, ten, done, tense, dense, cod, cut, tide, light, spent, spend, to, do, train, drain, try, day, touch, ditch, town, down, to, do. We can try to pronounce them in pairs alone and in groups. Now, we have discussed consonant sounds, that the 24 consonant sounds were formed from the 21 consonant alphabets. And in pronouncing the sound, we don't pronounce them like the alphabets. You pronounce the sound like g. The consonant sounds are either voiced or voiceless, and they are produced according to the place of articulation or manner of articulation. And the four consonant sounds considered today are the k, g, t, and the sound. For the home task, write 3 words for each of the following sounds: the k, g, t, and d. You practice pronouncing the consonant sounds treated alone and in group. Try to pronounce it while you are alone, and try to pronounce it with your friends in a group. Read the following tongue twisters alone. We are going to read it now. How many cookies could a good cook cook? If a good cook could cook cookies, how many good ground will a ground grinder hug? If a ground hog could hug ground. Try to pronounce this word, tongue twisters. Thank you all for your time. See you next, same time, same station. Stay safe. Bye.